SIGLENT SHS800X and SHS1000X handheld instruments integrate oscilloscope, recorder, and multimeter functions into a convenient and portable design. Weighing only 1.7 kilograms, the battery-powered SHS series can be used for field testing, automotive, R&D, and industrial maintenance. The included carrying case has ample room for the instrument, probes, and other accessories, perfect for field work and carrying on business trips. It is dust and waterproof, certified to IP51, proving it is capable of testing in a variety of harsh environments. The SHS1000X series has a fully isolated design, with measurements up to CATIII at 600 volts RMS. The rechargeable 6900 mAh high-capacity lithium battery is UL certified and delivers up to 5.5 hours of work without a charge, greatly improving safety and battery life. The solid physical buttons and the newly added dial make the operation experience smooth, even when wearing gloves. In oscilloscope mode, the SHS-X series employs SIGLENT's innovative SPO technology with a waveform capture rate up to 400 waveforms per second. The color temperature and persistence display speeds the capture and identification of unusual or low probability events. After the waveform is acquired, it can be easily stored as a file or image with one click for subsequent analysis. The hardware-based True RMS multimeter reduces measurement errors and shortens troubleshooting time. The measured values of the multimeter and the oscilloscope functions can be recorded at the same time. Up to 4 sets of measured values can be recorded simultaneously and played back later. In addition, the waveform recorder function can continuously record waveforms for up to 22 hours at a sampling rate of 25 kilosamples per second. The SHS-X series includes I2C, SPI, UART, CAN, and LIN serial protocol decoding, ideal for analyzing automotive and embedded products. The 1 megapoint FFT function uses an embedded math coprocessor that greatly improves the accuracy and speed of spectrum analysis. The peak value and marker function can directly display the amplitude of the corresponding frequency point. With a variety of window types, it can meet the needs of various requirements for spectrum analysis. The SIGLENT SHS800X and SHS1000X series handheld oscilloscopes have a lightweight frame and are equipped with powerful functions, enabling them to improve test efficiency for customers in the most demanding test environments.